Struggling with prediabetes? You're not alone, and simple foods can make a big difference. Prediabetes means higher than normal blood sugar, but you can manage it naturally. No pills needed. For seniors, fiber-rich, low-sugar foods stabilize blood sugar and boost energy. Our 10 senior-friendly foods, backed by science, are easy, tasty, and perfect for you. Ready to lower blood sugar the delicious way? Let's dive in. When it comes to managing prediabetes, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are your new best friends. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are low in calories and high in fiber, which slows down sugar absorption to keep your blood sugar steady. They're also rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps your body use insulin more effectively, reducing spikes after meals. Plus, their antioxidants fight inflammation, supporting overall health for seniors. Studies show that eating leafy greens regularly can lower blood sugar levels and even reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet is easier than you think. Toss fresh spinach into a salad with a light lemon vinaigrette for a refreshing lunch. Steam kale with a pinch of garlic for a simple side dish that pairs well with any meal. If you're feeling adventurous, blend collard greens into a morning smoothie with a banana for a touch of sweetness. For seniors, pre-washed greens save time and effort. No chopping required. Just be sure to skip heavy, sugary dressings that can undo the benefits. One practical tip: start small with a handful of greens daily to let your body adjust to the extra fiber. If you're on medications like blood thinners, check with your doctor, as greens high in vitamin K can interact. With so many ways to enjoy them, leafy greens are a delicious step toward better health. Did you know a single cup of spinach has just 7 calories but delivers a burst of nutrients? Add these greens to your plate and feel the difference. Berries are nature's sweet gift for seniors managing prediabetes. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in natural sugars and bursting with antioxidants, which improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, key for stable blood sugar. Their high fiber content slows sugar absorption, preventing post-meal spikes. Research shows that regular berry consumption can lower A1C levels and support heart health, a bonus for seniors. These vibrant fruits are not only delicious, but also pack a nutritional punch to keep you feeling your best. Adding berries to your diet is a breeze. Snack on a handful of fresh blueberries for a quick pick-me-up between meals. Mix strawberries into plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt for a creamy dessert-like treat that won't spike your blood sugar. Freeze raspberries for a refreshing summer nibble, or blend them into a smoothie with a splash of almond milk. For seniors, a half-cup serving is ideal to balance flavor and portion control. Choose fresh or frozen berries without added sugars, and avoid sugary jams or canned versions. A handy tip: if chewing is a concern, blend berries into smoothies or mash them into yogurt for easier digestion. Always rinse fresh berries to remove any residue and store them in the fridge to keep them fresh. Berries are versatile, affordable, and perfect for busy days. Did you know blueberries are often called brain berries because they may boost memory and heart health? Pop a few in your day and enjoy a sweet step toward better blood sugar control. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're a powerhouse for seniors managing prediabetes. Packed with soluble fiber, they form a gel-like texture in your stomach, slowing sugar absorption and stabilizing blood sugar levels. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support heart health, a crucial benefit for older adults. Studies suggest that chia seeds can improve insulin sensitivity and lower post-meal blood sugar spikes, making them a simple yet effective addition to your diet. Plus, they're loaded with protein to keep you satisfied longer. Incorporating chia seeds is effortless and fun. Sprinkle a tablespoon over your morning oatmeal for a nutrient boost, or mix into a glass of water with a splash of lemon for a refreshing drink. For a treat, soak them in unsweetened almond milk overnight to create a creamy chia pudding, topped with a few berries. Seniors should start with 1 tablespoon daily to ease digestion, and always pair with plenty of water to prevent discomfort. Choose plain, unsweetened chia seeds to avoid hidden sugars, and store them in a cool, dry place for freshness. A practical tip: if swallowing is a concern, blend chia seeds into smoothies for a smoother texture. They're affordable, versatile, and require no cooking, perfect for busy days or limited mobility. Chia seeds blend seamlessly into your routine, offering big benefits in a small package. Did you know these ancient seeds were once used by Aztec warriors for energy? Sprinkle some into your day and feel the power of better blood sugar control. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are a delicious ally for seniors managing prediabetes. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, helping stabilize blood sugar. Omega-3s also support heart health, lowering the risk of cardiovascular issues, a key concern for older adults. Studies show that eating fatty fish twice a week can lower blood sugar levels and boost overall wellness. Their protein content keeps you full, reducing cravings for sugary snacks. Incorporating fatty fish into your meals is simple and versatile. Bake salmon with a squeeze of lemon and herbs for a flavorful dinner. Enjoy canned sardines on whole grain toast for a quick lunch, or grill mackerel with a side of leafy greens for a nutrient-packed meal. For seniors, canned fish is a budget-friendly, no-cook option that's easy to store and prepare. Opt for baking or steaming over frying to keep the dish light and heart healthy, and choose low-sodium versions if watching salt intake. A helpful tip: start with small portions, like a 3-ounce serving, to ease digestion, especially if fish isn't a regular part of your diet. If you're on blood thinners, consult your doctor, as omega-3s can interact with some medications. Fatty fish are widely available and fit seamlessly into busy schedules. Did you know that eating fatty fish may also lift your mood, thanks to omega-3s supporting brain health? Add a serving to your week and savor a tasty step toward better blood sugar control. Beans, like lentils, black beans, and kidney beans, are a hearty, budget-friendly choice for seniors managing prediabetes. Packed with fiber and protein, they slow sugar absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Their low glycemic index ensures a steady release of energy, keeping you full and satisfied. Beans also provide iron and folate, supporting overall health for older adults. Research shows that regular bean consumption can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce A1C levels, making them a smart addition to your plate. Adding beans to your diet is simple and versatile. Cook lentils into a comforting soup with veggies for a warm dinner. Mix black beans into a salad with tomatoes and a splash of lime for a fresh lunch. Blend kidney beans into a dip for whole grain crackers as a snack. For seniors, canned beans, rinsed to reduce sodium, are a convenient, no-fuss option. Soak dried beans overnight to ease digestion and reduce bloating, especially if beans are new to your diet. A practical tip: start with a small serving, like a quarter cup, to let your stomach adjust to the fiber. Pair with leafy greens or berries from our list for a nutrient-packed meal. If sodium is a concern, choose low-sodium canned beans or cook from scratch. Beans are affordable, filling, and perfect for any schedule. Did you know lentils cook faster than other beans, often in just 20 minutes without soaking? Toss some into your meals and enjoy a delicious way to keep blood sugar steady. Oats, whether rolled or steel-cut, are a comforting, nutrient-packed choice for seniors managing prediabetes. Rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber, oats slow sugar absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes and supporting steady energy levels. They also help lower cholesterol, a bonus for heart health in older adults. Studies show that eating oats regularly can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce A1C levels, making them a simple, science-backed way to control blood sugar. Their gentle texture is easy on senior stomachs, perfect for daily meals. Adding oats to your diet is both easy and delicious. Cook a warm bowl of oatmeal with unsweetened almond milk for a cozy breakfast, topped with a few berries for extra flavor. Blend oats into a smoothie for a quick, no-cook option, or bake them into muffins with mashed banana for a grab-and-go snack. For seniors, rolled oats cook faster, while steel-cut oats offer a chewier texture. Choose what suits your taste. Avoid instant oats with added sugars, which can undo the benefits. A practical tip: start with a small portion, like 1/4 cup dry oats, to ensure easy digestion, and pair with chia seeds or berries from our list for a nutrient boost. If chewing is an issue, blend cooked oats into a smoother consistency. Store oats in an airtight container to keep them fresh. Did you know oats were once called nature's broom for their ability to clean up cholesterol? Stir some into your morning and enjoy a hearty step toward better blood sugar control. Cinnamon is a warm, aromatic spice that's a secret weapon for seniors managing prediabetes. This flavorful addition can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use sugar more effectively and lowering blood sugar levels after meals. Its antioxidants also reduce inflammation, supporting heart health, a key concern for older adults. Studies suggest that just a small amount of cinnamon daily can reduce fasting blood sugar and improve A1C levels, making it an easy, science-backed way to enhance your diet. Its cozy flavor makes healthy eating a delight. Incorporating cinnamon is simple and versatile. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon over your morning oatmeal or blend it into a smoothie with berries for a sweet, spicy kick. Stir it into unsweetened applesauce for a quick snack or add a pinch to your coffee for a warm, comforting drink. For seniors, Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, is the best choice, as it's lower in cumin, a compound that can affect the liver in large amounts. Stick to 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily to keep it safe and effective. A practical tip: if you're on blood thinners or other medications, check with your doctor, as cinnamon can interact with some drugs. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. Pair cinnamon with oats or berries from our list for a delicious, blood sugar-friendly meal. It's affordable, widely available, and requires no cooking. Did you know cinnamon was once more valuable than gold in ancient times? Dust a little into your day and enjoy a flavorful step toward better blood sugar control. Apples are a crisp, satisfying choice for seniors managing prediabetes, offering a natural way to keep blood sugar in check. Rich in pectin, a soluble fiber, apples slow sugar absorption, preventing spikes after meals. They're also packed with antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and support heart health, a key benefit for older adults. Studies show that eating apples regularly can improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar, making them a simple, science-backed addition to your diet. Their natural sweetness satisfies cravings without the need for sugary snacks. Incorporating apples is easy and versatile. Enjoy a fresh apple with the skin on as a quick snack, or slice it into a salad with leafy greens for a refreshing lunch. Bake apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon from our list for a warm, dessert-like treat without added sugar. For seniors, choose smaller apples, like Gala or Fuji, for portion control and easier chewing. Avoid apple juice or sweetened applesauce, which can raise blood sugar quickly. A practical tip: if chewing is difficult, grate apples into oatmeal or blend them into a smoothie for a softer texture. Store apples in the fridge to keep them crisp, and pair with a handful of nuts for a balanced snack that combines fiber and healthy fats. Apples are affordable, portable, and perfect for any time of day. Did you know an apple's fiber can help your gut bacteria thrive, boosting digestion? Grab an apple and take a crunchy step toward better blood sugar control. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are a crunchy, satisfying snack for seniors managing prediabetes. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, they help stabilize blood sugar by slowing sugar absorption and curbing cravings for sweets. Their low glycemic index ensures steady energy without spikes. Walnuts, rich in omega-3s, also support heart health, while almonds provide magnesium to boost insulin function. Studies show that eating nuts regularly can improve blood sugar control and lower A1C levels, making them a smart, science-backed choice for older adults. Adding nuts to your diet is effortless and versatile. Grab a small handful, 10 to 15 nuts, as a midday snack, or sprinkle chopped almonds over your oatmeal for added crunch. Mix walnuts into a salad with leafy greens, or spread pistachio butter on an apple slice for a balanced treat. For seniors, choose unsalted, unsweetened nuts to keep sodium and sugar low. Chew thoroughly or opt for nut butters if chewing is a challenge, ensuring easy digestion. A practical tip: stick to a small portion to manage calories, as nuts are nutrient-dense. Store them in an airtight container to maintain freshness, and pair with berries or apples from our list for a fiber-packed snack. Nuts are portable, requiring no prep, perfect for busy days or limited mobility. Did you know walnuts resemble tiny brains and may boost cognitive health? Pop a few nuts into your day and enjoy a heart-healthy step toward better blood sugar control. Sweet potatoes are a vibrant, nutritious choice for seniors managing prediabetes, offering a tasty way to stabilize blood sugar. Unlike white potatoes, they have a lower glycemic index, releasing sugar slowly to prevent spikes. Rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes support insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, benefiting heart health for older adults. Studies show that regular consumption can improve blood sugar control and boost overall wellness, making them a science-backed addition to your diet. Their natural sweetness satisfies without derailing your health goals. Incorporating sweet potatoes is simple and delicious. Bake a small sweet potato as a side dish, seasoned with a pinch of cinnamon for extra blood sugar benefits. Mash them with a drizzle of olive oil for a creamy dinner option, or slice into wedges and roast for a healthy snack. For seniors, stick to a half-cup serving to manage carbs and avoid sugary toppings like marshmallows. Choose orange-fleshed varieties for maximum antioxidants and steam or bake to preserve nutrients. A practical tip: if digestion is a concern, mash or puree sweet potatoes for a softer texture. Store them in a cool, dry place and pair with leafy greens or nuts from our list for a balanced meal. Sweet potatoes are affordable, versatile, and perfect for cozy meals. Did you know their vitamin A supports eye health, helping you see the world more clearly? Add a sweet potato to your plate and savor a wholesome step toward better blood sugar control.